Good morning, dear students. Today I shall take up the same chapter, Wet in the Forest by D.K. Lahiri Chaudhary. I shall take up from paragraph number 10. Subrata was asked to prepare his syringe. The wildlife warden, S.C. Day, and others told Subrata Chaudhary to prepare the syringe to make the injured elephant unconscious. His experience so far had been limited to tranquilizing mostly langurs. But Subrata Chaudhary was expert in making unconscious to the monkeys only. Langurs means a genus of monkey, to the monkeys only. See, he does not have the first-hand experience of tranquilizing the elephant, where time was not of the essence, where time was not important. Means to tranquilize monkeys, time was not important. But in tranquilizing the elephant, time was very important. He had therefore not thought of keeping the syringe ready. Showing admirable calm, he spread a cloth on the ground and arranged all the files. Files means small glass containers for medicines on it neatly and methodically, taking all the time in the world. First, she arranged all the files, all the bottles, all the containers of medicines on that cloth which she kept on the ground, and then she started preparing the syringe. Taking care not to aggravate. Aggravate means increase someone's annoyance or anger. Taking care not to aggravate him in any way, we urge Subrata in harsh whispers to hurry. Taking care not to aggravate him, the other members of the team told Subrata Chaudhary not to do anything that the elephant became angry. We urge Subrata in harsh whispers to hurry up. Otherwise, the elephant will move from here. By that time, a small crowd had gathered behind us. After some time, the villagers gathered there to see the things, how the elephant was given treatment by the team of doctors, ready with a battery of advice. Battery of advice means they gathered there and they started giving advice. Many persons. Battery of advice means advice from many persons. Many persons started giving advice to the team of doctors. By the time Subrata was ready, the frightened elephant had begun to move. Means when the syringe was ready in the hand of Subrata, the frightened elephant had begun to move from there, limping visibly, started moving slowly and slowly from there. Too many sal poles. Sal, a tall tree found mostly in the Indian subcontinent. It is used in Ayurvedic medicines and is also burnt as incense. Too many sal poles intervened between, forward slowly, and the animal for an accurate hit. Means the sal tree were creating hindrance to Subrata because the elephant was coming standing by the side of the sal tree. Subrata went forward slowly and slowly near the elephant with his dart gun, a gun that shoots an arrow containing some medicine in it. and I followed to provide moral support and advice. And the writer followed Subrata and was providing him moral support and advice to Dr. Subrata. Suddenly the elephant stopped. All of a sudden the elephant stopped there. I clutched Subrata. The writer clutched Subrata by his shoulder from here and whispered into his ear and told in his ear in a slow voice, "Fire!" Up came the dart gun. The animal winced slightly. The animal winced slightly means the animal winced slightly means a slight flattening of the muscles that indicates pain. When the injection pierced in his body, the elephant experienced pain in his muscles. The animal winced slightly and pricked by the dart, quickened its pace and started moving forward after getting the injection in his muscles. We quickened ourselves accordingly. We also followed the elephant. In about 5 minutes, its hind legs buckled under its body. Hind leg started moving, bending, and then it slowly kneeled over and lay on its side. And after some time, when the medicine started working, the elephant started sitting on one side. We approached the animal and closely examined its eyes. When the elephant became unconscious, the team of doctors reached near him, examined closely the eyes of the elephant. The breathing was regular. They found that the breathing of the elephant was regular. There appeared to be no immediate cause for worry. There was not anything in the body of the elephant that made them worry. The vet doctor confirmed that the body temperature and the pulse rate were normal for an elephant. The body temperature and pulse rate were normal for the body of an elephant. But there was a frighteningly large abscess around the left knee. Large abscess means a pus-filled area, swollen and infected area on the skin or in the body of the elephant around the left knee. The vet got to work and the vet doctor started working there. A deep incision across the swollen part. Incision means a sharp cut was made near the swollen part of the leg, brought out a flow of black blood, and black blood was coming after the cut was made there on the swollen part of the knee. There was no other visible injury on the elephant and nothing inside. Nothing was inside and there was no other injury in his body. And nothing inside the wound. And inside the wound there was nothing serious. The animal must have got injured stumbling over a cut piece of bamboo or a sal stump. After the necessary treatment of its leg and a sort of long-acting antibiotic, the animal must have got injured stumbling over a cut piece of bamboo or a sal stump. After the necessary treatment of its leg, a sort of long-acting antibiotic. Long-acting means the medicine effect lasting for a long time. Antibiotic was injected in his body through the same method, through the dart gun. We bandaged the leg and the leg was bandaged more for visual effect than as part of the treatment of its injury. We knew perfectly well that the bandage would not stay more than a moment. The doctor's team knew it well that the bandage did not remain in his leg for a long time. When the elephant will get its consciousness and when he started moving here and there, then the bandage would be removed. After being revived from the antidote, after being revived from antidote means medicine which kills bacteria and cures infections. when the elephant will get its consciousness and started moving, then the bandage will also be removed. We expected the medicines to wear off any minute now, but the elephant showed no sign of coming out of its drug-induced sleep. The doctor's team expected that the elephant will get its consciousness very soon, but the elephant did not show any sign of coming out of its drug-induced sleep, as any healthy elephant should do a few minutes after receiving the antidote. The ever helpful villagers, the villagers were very helpful, who were watching us from a distance. The villagers were watching the team of doctors from a distance, brought buckets of water from a nearby stream to pour on the drugged animals to keep its body temperature down. They were bringing a bucket full of waters from the nearby stream, and they were pouring that water on the body of the elephant to lower down the temperature. They also brought back the disturbing news that the herd was back. After some time, they also brought the news that the herd, which was chased by the villagers with the help of crackers, they are also coming through this area and was making quite a bit of commotion. Commotion means movement. They were coming in this area by making a bit of commotion, a bit of movement just beyond the stream. The elephant, having made a couple of unsuccessful attempts at lifting its head, the elephant having made a couple of unsuccessful attempts at lifting its head, the elephant was trying to lift its head when the effect of the sleep-inducing medicine was removing, fell back into a deep sleep, gently snoring. As responsible manager, we should have stayed around for the moment of its revival. As a responsible manager, we stayed there for some time so that the elephant may come to its consciousness. Unfortunately, there was not one sal tree strong enough to support a machala. There was not any strong sal tree there in that area where the doctor's team can make machala, the tree, to save themselves, on which we could spend the night. Clearly, it would not be possible to spend the night on the ground with about 50 wild elephants, just as couple of 100 meters away. But after some time, they decided that it is not possible to remain here in this forest to spend the night. And also, among the 50 wild elephants who are 100 yards away from here, they went back to their guest house, eager to come to the aid of their fallen comrades. And they were very eager to come the aid of their fallen comrades. And they were eager that the herd of the white elephants will come back to support him, to take care of the elephant. The heat and our parched throats forced us to turn back. There was heat and the throat of the team was parched. Reluctantly, we returned to the jeep and went back to the rest house. After some time, they went back to the jeep and came back to the rest house. The next day, to our relief, we found that the elephant had revived during the night and the herd had taken it up. Next day, the elephant was revived and the herd of the elephant took him away. Thank you.